I've been seeing sparkly flowers all around. So today, we're going to make our own sparkly flowers. Turning a plain rose into this. So stay tuned. Welcome to Grace Garden, where I love to be. But I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Grace Garden. I'm using multi-medium mat. It's for doing paper crafts and artwork, and it works really good for this. I'm just tapping it in here, and then I'm going to take my flower and I'm going to brush this all over the petals. It dries matte and very strong, although it's not my favorite paper glue as it's been purported to be. And then we take this high quality, super fine glitter. Mine is iridescent. And just sprinkle it over on top of the piece of paper. And catch it. And then, I don't know how sparkly it's showing, but I'll show it to you. Now I'm going to do it on some roses. And I'm going to brush it on the outsides of the petals a little bit too. And then really get it in there. I'm holding on to the rose. And I'm not pressing tight. I'm not pushing hard. Okay. So it's pretty covered with that glue. And then we just do the same thing. We sprinkle this over. This is high quality, very fine glitter. It's very nice. All right, let's do another one. Okay. I want to get it a little bit on the inside of the petals and a little bit on the outside of the petals. So when the rose opens, it's got some sparkle on both surfaces. Then, just like the others, we'll get a good amount. Don't worry about sprinkling too much, because we're going to be able to pick it off that paper at the end. Take off that petal. is the rose that we're left with. And the